Now, what place has an artist in the not only social structure, in his expression of the religious, of the religion, of the religious. You understand? What is an artist, sir? Is your something apart from our daily living, the beauty of living, the quality of a mind that's really religious? You follow? Is he part of that, or is he a freak outside that? Because he has certain talents. And the expression of that talent becomes extraordinarily important to him and to the people.
In our culture, it often seems that the expression of that talent brings him into conflict with certain conventions.
And also expression that conflict in himself.
Of course. Yes, we have a long tradition in Western civilization of the artist as an outsider, don't we?
Yes, something outside. But he's much more sensitive.
Yes.
Much more alert to the beauty, to nature. But apart from that, he's just an ordinary man.
Yes, of course. Yes.
To me, that's a contradiction. First, be a total human being, and then whatever you create, whatever you do will be beautiful.
Of course.
Whether you paint or whatever you do. Let's divide the artist into something extraordinary, or the businessman something ugly, the scholar just living in a world of the intellect, or the scientist in the world of physics, and so on, so on, so on. But first, there must be human being. You understand? Human being in the sense, the total understanding of life. Death, love, beauty, relationship, responsibility. Not to kill, all that's implied in living. Therefore, he establishes a relationship with nature. And the expression of that relationship, if it is whole, healthy, is creative.
This is very, very different from what many artists conceive of as their task. Especially in modern times, artists have this notion that they are, in some sense, reflectors of the fragmentation of their times.
Absolutely.
And so they make a statement which holds up the fragmentation as a mirror to us. And what has this got to do with anything else but reinforcing the fragmentation?
Absolutely.
Yes, of course. Yes, I quite understand what you're saying.
You see that